Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about this radio, Hiroyasu UV850. This is the second part of the review for the radio. In this video we're going to check the reception, some bands and transmission testing. Let's test. Let's see the menu of the radio. VOX, zones, V4 channels, codes, radio settings, working band, SQL, transmission power, bandwidth, scrambler, standby set, tail Roger, crossband repeater. Let's assign the enabling for X-band repeater to some key for about long press transfer. Assign, OK, exit, just long press this button, turn on crossband repeater and test. Let's test. You can see the transmission on 433.5 MHz. The radio receives the signal and transmit on 145.5. You can see right here the signal. And in the opposite direction, the same, all works pretty good. Speaker, mid gain, low, middle, high. APRS, GPS functionality, user key, Bluetooth, signaling, settings, reset, and about the radio. The steps you can see on the screen. Currently I use 25 kHz on these two bands. The radio works pretty good from 64 to 108 MHz.
Transmission information.
This is airband. Currently I'm using the external antenna, which is on top of my roof.
Estimated surface friction medium to 4. Transfusion level 7.
You can enable the spectrum scope.
Out of operation. The repair works in progress. Apron and encapsulate slippery. Encapsulate caution. Bird has in takeoff and landing area. Wind 010 degrees 5 meters per second.
This radio has spectrum scope. To enabling the spectrum scope, you should assign the functionality to some of the buttons. In my case, I assigned the spectrum scope to the button 9, long press spectrum, OK, exit, 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 long press button 9, and you will see the spectrum scope. Currently I connected the CB antenna, which is on my roof. This antenna doesn't work on 2 meters band, but in this case we can see the spectrum. You can change the SQL level using these buttons. The green line is the SQL level. Pressing this button, you can extend the frequency for scanning in steps.
Они парнокопытные или непарнокопытные, там те копыта следы. Какие ты следы видел?
To change the modulation, just press this button. You will see the amplitude modulation or frequency modulation. We can catch some signals That functionality is pretty good. I think the 32 much faster, 32 steps.
Подождите, дадим.
You
Всё,
can see
сейчас.
the level
Дай
of the
нам сейчас
signal.
Серега договорится. Ой, если ты видел...
Just connected 2 meters band antenna, and in this case
Ну, короче,
you see the signal on some frequencies. Let's extend the spectrum scope. Yeah, this signal is really powerful. Let's open the SQL.
прибывает на 53-й путь 48-й платформы. Блин, ищи
This meter is pretty good. Actually, you can change the step using the spectrum scope. Pressing the OK button, you see the process of changing. For example, you can select 6.25 and amount of steps. For example, PMR band, and set the SQL level. I'm trying to catch the signal from pirates, but the signal is too low on this band. The radio has the frequency search functionality. To enable this functionality, you should assign this function to some of the buttons. In my case, I assigned the search function to the button number 6. Confirm, exit, exit. Long press this button enables this functionality. You can see the UHF search. Press OK button, switch to the VHF search 200, 250. Let's search on the UHF band. I'm going to press on 446 MHz without any DCS and CTCSS codes. I'm transmitting right now. Yeah, you can see the frequency 446. Oops. Let's do this again. Let's repeat the test. Yeah, search for codes and transmit. Testing, 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 testing. Audio. It works pretty good. Interesting. How to save the frequency. Let's transmit again. You can see the frequency. OK. Channel memory zone 1. OK. And channel 1. You have saved the frequency and switch to the channel mode. Name channel number 1. We need channel number 1. Yeah, 446. And let's transmit. Testing, testing. Audio. It works pretty good. If you'd like to use the shortwaves receiver, you should assign enabling the radio to some of the buttons. In my case, I assign to the second functionality button, radio, OK. These 2 PTT buttons and 2 functionality buttons. The second one for short press. Let's turn on the radio. FM initialization, please wait. In this case, you can press OK button, select modulation, LSB, USB, AM, FM, CW, frequency step, bandwidth, before. If you select the AM, the radio switches to the working band, short waves, medium waves and long waves. If you select the working band, for example, short waves, exit, and you'll see the working band from 2.3 to 30 MHz AM mode. If you long press this button, you switch to the long waves, medium waves and short waves again. Change modulation to single side band. After that, you will see the frequency band from 0.15 to 30 MHz. LSB, USB and CW. Long waves, nothing in my location. Medium waves.
Будет развиваться человеческая карта мира в ближайшие 10, 20, 30 и так далее лет. Ну и еще одна публикация, собственно, разговор шел про то, как изменяется. Я не знаю, где-то в этих вот тут где-то тоже что-то. Шарапов, ну тоже здесь работаешь. Все, спасибо, Виктор Иванович, крепко жму руку, спасибо всему коллективу. Пожалуйста, Виктор Иванович. Давай, Сашко, спокойной ночи, спи, теперь уже 36 во-первых. Давай, шуруй, вкалывай, на третью боковую. Так, поедем дальше.
80 meters band.
Да у нас ослабли, у нас были морозы, Эльдар, были. -7 сегодня, -7, обещают снег. Вот, ага, ну и что же, еще морозы впереди.
20 meters band.
Thank you, 590, Golf Bravo 2, Whiskey Alpha.
20 meters band using the telescopic antenna.
Italy, Zulu 3, beautiful out in the ultimate passage. Okay, Christoph, I copy you 100% your passage. Thank you very much for information, for your condition, and for you, my you do Foxtrot Tango Delta X3101 Mike Papa. Sierra 70, Golf Bravo Echo from Krosno, Italy, Zulu 3, Lima Tango near Venice. Ciao!
27 MHz. Currently I'm using the external antenna on my roof. Ten meters band. Currently I'm in the car using the telescopic antenna.
E infatti mi ripeto anche le sottile che riprende per questione. Confermo quello che ti ha detto Franco. Allora io ti ho voluto sentire anche con l'amplificatore, perché l'amplificatore, come ho detto anche prima, di solito accentua i difetti dell'emissione. Quindi sentendo dicono un po' di watt in più se avevamo fatto.
Thank you for watching my video. This radio is really good. I like it. It works on the various bands and has embedded receiver and really powerful radio. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.